In Georgia, there's a growing need to help bring closure to those who have lost a loved one. News Channel 6's Darenisa Jefferson is here now to explain.
Jenny, the state of Georgia is seeing a shortage of the men and women who determine how and why a death happens. That shortage is impacting families here in Augusta who now have to wait longer to get answers following the death of a loved one.
There is a national shortage of those. It's not just here in Georgia.
A statewide shortage of forensic pathologists means backlogs on court cases and autopsies.
Some days we can call up and we'll be number 17 in line. We have been told that we, are 34 in line. It's a day-by-day situation.
Richmond County Coroner Mark Bowen says autopsies must be sent to the GBI in Atlanta, but a shortage of pathologists means longer waits for families to get closure following the death of a loved one.
If more were trained, it would help us to maybe get our autopsies done a little faster instead of having to wait in line to get them done.
AU leaders hope a $240,000 grant will address that at Augusta University by expanding the pathology program to train more students in forensic pathology.
We're able to deal with the shortage that we're experiencing here in Georgia by training the doctors here in Georgia. It's always easier to just stay where you've trained.
Bowen says having more pathologists would mean getting autopsies done faster.
And it would help the families, help us to be able to get the bodies back to the families a lot quicker to go ahead and start the funeral process.
It's every parent's nightmare or sibling's nightmare to be like, well, where is my family member, to know that something happened to them,
For forensic pathology student Samantha Maddox, it means getting families the answers they deserve.
You can provide those answers and you can give that family closure. You can have a discussion with them and help close that door so they can move on.
The coroner tells me the closure of a GBI office in Macon is adding to the backlog. It could mean 37 additional counties for the GBI in Atlanta to have to cover. Back to you, Jenny.